Without the right SU installed, your computer is liable to power shortages, poor load times, and component failure. However, with the right power supply, you can push the limits of your PC build, overclocking your processor cores and speeding up load times for a competitive edge in games. There are many products available to choose from power supply for gaming, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best power supply for gaming from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Asus ROG Strix 750 Fully Modular. The Asus Strix SU strikes an excellent balance between aesthetics, performance, and price, winning it the Best Design Award. Integrating cutting-edge technology from their graphics cards, the dual ball bearing fan runs super quiet, thanks to the ultra-small fan hub which allows for extra-long fan blades to fit within a 135mm cooling fan frame with a barrier ring to improve flow directionality and pressure. In addition, integrated heatsinks lower internal temperature, allowing the SU to use quiet passive cooling at low loads, and reducing the fan RPM required at higher loads. Number 2. EVGA Supernova 750. A fully modular SU, the EVGA Supernova delivers 750 watts for gaming PCs. With an energy-efficient design, the Supernova receives an 80+ platinum efficiency rating, leading to its ranking as best overall. I particularly like the Power On self-tester which comes free with the SU. This helps a lot with troubleshooting setup problems and ensuring that the GPU and CPU are receiving enough wattage to run effectively. In addition, the 10-year warranty is a nice addition and seal of quality. This is especially useful if you plan on using the included Eco Mode feature. Operating in Eco Mode can cause some problems for the Supernova like overheating and power shutdowns, especially if you are overclocking your CPU or are trying GPU-intensive operations, e.g., running AAA games at high clock rates. To keep things cool, the Supernova also has a 140mm case fan with a double ball bearing for quiet operation. Using only Japanese capacitors also improves reliability and SU lifetime. Number 3. Power Supply 600W Semi-Modular. The Power Supply 600W Semi-Modular SU combines LED lighting with reliable power generation to add pizzazz to your gaming PC, leading to it winning the Most Colorful Design Award. Supplying 600 watts of power, the Gamma Max is great for entry and mid-range builds. In addition, the SU comes with 5 SATA connectors and 3 Molex 4-pin connectors for your peripherals. Connector cabling reaches up to 600mm for easy installation and cable management. The Gamma Max SU holds an 80+ bronze efficiency rating and weighs in at just 4.14 lbs. With an 18-month warranty and options for extended protection, you can buy this product without worrying about defective parts or damage during shipping. Number 4. EVGA Gold 750 watts. The EVGA 210 GQ SU is one of the best power supplies in its class. Providing 750 watts of output with a semi-modular design, this EVGA combines efficiency, power, and cost-effectiveness. At a lower price point of under $90, I like how this GQ model delivers many of the same top-tier EVGA features, such as an Eco Mode, an extended warranty, 5 years, a gold efficiency rating on the 80+ scale, and semi-modular cabling with EPS connectors. Simply put, the 210 SU crams in top EVGA features at a more affordable price, leading to its best value for money ranking. Number 5. Rescom Power 1000W Power Supply. If you are looking for a top-tier SU to power a high-performance graphics card and CPU, then this Ares Game 1000W SU may be the right choice for you. With a 1000W output and modular cables, this power supply can handle the power draw from intensive AAA gaming and mining rigs, earning it the Best for High Power Draw Builds award. With an 80+ gold efficiency rating, this SU maintains 90% efficiency at typical loads, while supporting VAC input from 100V 240 volts. For improved heat dissipation, the SU design comes with a honeycomb structured passive ventilation which works in conjunction with an ultra-quiet. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.